Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get SEEDANCE 2.0 early access. So if you go to X right here, they're gonna have a lot of videos that are generated with SEEDANCE 2.0 and they look really cool. They have like multi-scene, camera movement and so on, like built-in audio as well, and it looks really real. That's like beating VO3 and also all the models like Kling 3.0 and so on, because the camera and motion and so on, like they are pretty like movie like Hollywood studio special effects. And as you can see, a lot of people want to access this, and I'm going to show you how to get this access. So one way for you to access this is you want to go to right here, ChatCut.io. So ChatCut.io is have SEEDANCE 2.0 available, but you would need actually to get an invite code. So you can join the wait list, which is going to take a while, or you can like join it, and it's going to ask you to have an invite code. So the invite code, what you want to do is you want to join this Discord right here server, where they have a lot of codes right here available for you to join. So once you join, so it's called SEEDANCE Official. You can go here on general, actually invite code drop right here, and also announcements. They have a lot of people dropping codes left and right, so just watch out. Like the earlier you input this code into that, you're gonna get access to the ChatCut.io, which is gonna able to generate the SEEDANCE 2.0. So also you can go to the ChatCut right here, Discord. So you can Google it, ChatCut Discord, and you just go to ChatCut, and then they have a Discord at the bottom earlier. Like if you go way down right here, like scroll down, and then you see the Discord right here. So that's the Discord you want to join, and inside there you're gonna be able to see in general right here. So on ChatCut general, you're gonna have different people sharing the codes in here. But also you can join this, which is a SEEDANCE Official, which I got the code from. So just go to announcement, or like go here, general as well, invite code drop, and you're gonna be able to join. So once you join, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna have you have to, this is an agent, so you have to use the phrase use SEEDANCE 2.0 to generate a video about, and you have to describe in things in there, like images, audio, video as well in there, and it's going to be able to generate. It's going to take a little bit of time to generate, but so that's one way. And the other way is you want to go right here, prompt chat and prompt help. What you want to do is you want to go to your Apple like device, and you change the region to China, and you want to search for Jimae, J-I-E. So like this, I'm gonna show you. So you want to search on Apple App Store Jimae like this, and make sure you switch it to the Apple Chinese App Store, and set your VPN to Hong Kong, for example, like that, and use a address generator for address in China, and you're gonna be able to download this, and it will allow you to generate SEEDANCE 2.0. And so if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.